Samsung Galaxy S9 to feature Snapdragon 845, 4GB RAM and 128GB internal. As we know, Samsung is about to unveil its upcoming flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S9 this year. The company has started to distribute the media invitation promising that the Galaxy S9 will bring a reimagined camera on February 25th. Samsung on Twitter confirms the date for the Unpacked event, which is about to hold just before the MWC. The teaser image shows that camera of Galaxy S9 will be reimagined. However, Samsung hasn't shared any more details about the camera specs. However, the rumors claim that Galaxy S9 Plus will switch to a dual-camera system and the Galaxy S9 standard version will stick to the single-lens shooter. The rumors also claim that the South Korean giant will now use ISOCELL camera sensor. ISOCELL camera sensor will simply allow users to record slow-motion videos at 480 FPS. The rumored specifications of Galaxy S9 also suggests that it will be a monster. The smartphone is expected to feature Snapdragon 845 processor along with 4GB, 6GB RAM. The smartphone will be available in two variants, 64 128GB internal. That's all we know about Samsung Galaxy S9. What's your opinion on this?